In this video I'll show you how you can make drinking yogurt, smooth yogurt like kefir, but yogurt using yogurt culture. And this here I have sheep yogurt. You should see these little bubbles in it. This one was a bit jumping around, but it also had the same thing on top, so they are both very good. I use cow milk, but if you have goat milk or sheep milk, it's even better. 3% at least, the more the better. And the yogurt, it's very simple here. I have a 2-liter milk bottle. I took 2 spoons, but it's really 1 spoon really is enough. And this yogurt is really delicious. This is regular sheep yogurt. And the thing here is to mix a little bit of milk with a little bit of the yogurt, make it really homogeneous. Dissolve the yogurt in the milk as much as possible with a spoon or shaking it. You can even put the cap on the jar and shake this jar really vigorously, and that should do it even better. I use a funnel so I don't spill too much here. Removing half cup of milk from the bottle to leave a bit of space inside the bottle. Notice my plum jam jars at the back. Yeah, those are really nice. Drink the milk, and using the funnel I put the mixture of fresh yogurt, culture and a little bit of milk. It goes in the milk bottle, really, that's all. Not really, not yet. So now I close the bottle, shake it well. It's important to shake it pretty well now to distribute the yogurt culture evenly inside the fresh milk. And then also it's important not to leave the cup tightened. It should be free, because it will ferment and you don't want this plastic bottle to swallow up and break. 2 days, it's gonna be fine. The secret here, watch carefully now, this part is really important. While it's fermenting, I was doing it twice a day. You open the lid a bit when you have it fermenting, but twice a day you close the lid and shake it. Even when you see it's not ready, it doesn't look like it's anywhere near ready, don't give it a chance to make the solid structures inside. Shake it well.
Oh, Delphine, chill. Ok?
Yeah.
Ok, sure. Ok, bravo. Ok.
Ok means you watch closely. This is the other yogurt I made, the solid one with the boiled milk. This is an alternate way to make the yogurt, very nice also. But if you prefer the drinking yogurt, this is not for you. You can make ayran with this. You can actually mix this with fruit jams and make it really delicious. So shake this, the liquid one, the one in the bottle.
Close it.
Yeah, close it and shake it. At least once a day. I did it 2 times per day because I want it to be really smooth. I don't want pieces of anything. No pieces of yogurt or even cheese-like pieces. I don't want to make cheese. I want to make smooth yogurt, drinking yogurt.
It starts to smell nice.
So it was getting ready, but it needed a little bit more time. So 2 days, maybe even 3 days if the temperature is not high enough. It all depends on the room temperature. The higher, the faster.
Next day in the afternoon, Start to see bubbles.
When you start to see bubbles inside that stay in the place where they are and don't go up, that's when it really starts to get more solid. You have to shake it more now.
Starts to look pretty nice. Oh yeah. Look at it. Most important, close this. Okay. This might be just ready now. The smell. If you're in a hurry, you can go for it as it is now. Oh yeah. Creamy. Sticks to the spoon. The more you leave it, the longer it's going to get more solid. It's a bit sweet. Really super mild. Not sour at all yet. If you leave it longer, it gets more sour. It's up to your preference. The glass should look like this. Nice. One more day. And it's good. It's ready. I might drink it before that. This is delicious. When the glass looks like this, it's pretty good. Yogurt to drink. Kefir kind of, but not really. It's yogurt. Drinking yogurt. Nice.
I hope this video helps you, and let me know in the comment section below if you make drinking yogurt or kefir, which one you prefer, or the regular yogurt. If you made it, let me know how you like it. Thanks for watching.